So hi everyone, this is my extension that will take the array of lightning URLs and we'll show each one by one. So let's take it from here and go through here, open it. Now we see successfully fetching the information, the name of the profile and its email address into a pop.html. Now check each one by one, and it's also console logging that information into a web page, name and email address successfully. So it's good. Now doc marching, and the next stage Mohammed Samullah, Sami Park, and the last one is Ishanullah. Okay, good. So this is my code for the extension that I have developed. It contains a start folder with the images, content script.js, manifest.json, pop.html, pop.js into a single folder start. So the manifest.json is a metadata for the extension that will tell the Chrome, that will tell the browser about our extension. It contains the name of the extension, manifest version, description, permission. Here we will include the permission. Without it we won't be able to get the name of the tabs, and action that will display the default pop-up, default icon that will eventually display on the extension, and the content script that run within the context of the web page. It has the ability to interact with the web page. We include the JS file, content script.js, and when it matches the linkedin.com. And next we have the content script.js. It runs with the context of the web page. So content.js script file has the ability to interact with the pages. So we have taken the name variable and grab the name of the profile, and mail information that will grab the mail address of the file, and console log that information into the web page and pass that information to the pop.js file where we can eventually show up that data. So pop.js file is the JavaScript file for pop.html, that is our extension file. It will run for our extension. So in pop.js file I have taken the button variable and put it here, and grab that button, that is here button, into a button, and declare all the variables here and grab that into a single variable here, that data input btn details name. And here I have add event listener method that will fire up when the user click on the button function. So it will first check if it is empty, and here I have declared an array that will JSON pass that URL, and with this we can access that array individually by indexing their numbers. So I had removed that class list respectively. So in open function open details, I can show up all the details that is necessary. So I declare your details, and it will show the details to the pop-up. Open link that will pass the argument profile link as an argument, and next button into a add event listener method that when the user clicks on it, it will toggle between back and forth in the array. I have called that open links function that will open the links file link in the background. From here we can access the info part into the pop-up. We can display it here and check if it doesn't exceed the exceeded limit of the array. So, and in the back button it will do same, but in the backward direction. It will call the open link and display the data in the pop-up. Now open links will open the links one by one. When the user call it, eventually it will take an links as an argument, and we'll put it here, and it will open the link in the background HTML. So this chrome.runtime on message event add listener will listen to the message where we have sent from the content.script.js file. It will send it here, and it will listen it here. So we are grab that data, message data, and put it into the pop.js extension page pop-up, and we will console log that information. Thank you.